Okay. Well, thank you very much for joining us here at Someday Farm for today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm Stephen Watson, and today's tip is to, whilst practicing, whatever that might be, warm-ups, pai gong, qigong, your Dalu practice, whatever it might be. I do this pretty much only in my form practice, but it could work a lot of different things, is to imagine imagine the face of your teacher. And you might have had the experience of having seen your teacher's face in many different moods and modes. And I'm thinking of a particular one. You could do this a lot of different ways. But I'm thinking of the one where your teacher is teaching you a private lesson and perfectly and solely attentive to you. So they're probably in the mode of criticism, right? They're really watching carefully. And of course, once you stop moving, they're going to offer some advice and tell you, in my experience, rarely praise. It's always criticism, but whatever. But the idea is to actually imagine your teacher's face in sort of their best way of observing your practice. And I think pretty much without fail, people's practice will be changed by that. For some people, it's for the worse, right? They kind of fall apart being stared at and being criticized, or knowing criticism may follow. And for other people, they really kind of find their best practice. Like the teacher's not just here, but they're watching. They're not just watching, but they're watching me. They're not just watching me, but they're teaching me. So they're about to share something else. They're not just observing a performance. So you can certainly do this with an actual photo of your teacher in the room if that helps bring it to mind. But I imagine for most of us, if I say imagine your teacher's face, you can do it accurately enough for our purposes in your practice. So thank you all very much. And remember that going forward, you will be the face of your art. So are you smiling? Thank you.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.